1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this, numbers matching 402 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a numbers matching automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC, nicely equipped car. Let's take a look at this front chrome grille, headlight surrounds, and some custom paint to boot. We'll get into that in just a second. Take your time looking through the still pictures to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And you can always call us, 507-386-1726. 5-spoke wheels with radial tires. Now back to this paint. So cowl induction hood, as you can see, has had a repaint to this black, but it's got a cool, I don't know, it's kind of tough to explain the color, almost kind of a smoky cherry metallic, stripe painted on it, black vinyl top. Paint has a nice shine to it, as you can see. Nice long straight panels, and we'll walk all the way around this car, start it up at the end of the video, let you hear it run. We'll also take it for a drive, so stick around to the very end. Take this car for a drive. First, let's go down the passenger side. Again, you can see those long panels. Saddle vinyl interior. It is the original color this would have come with, the saddle. And again, black vinyl top. That is in nice shape. Bucket seats, center console, a few aftermarket gauges. We're going to get around to that in just a second. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. In the still pictures, you're also going to notice it does have part of the original build sheet. You'll be able to check that out closer in the still pictures. Fuel tank must be replaced. That's what they're able to save with the build sheet. As you can see, dual exhaust, also has headers coming off that 402. Take a look at the chrome on the bumper. You'll be able to see in the trunk, in the still pictures. Take your time. Again, looking through those still pictures, you can see that deck stripe continuing onto the rear of the car. Like I said, it's subtle. It's kind of a smoky cherry color. Looks cool with the black, no doubt about that. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time. All kinds of still pictures of this car. You'll also be able to see the VIN. You're going to see the stamping on the transmission. You're going to see the stamp on the engine. But yes, indeed, it is numbers matching. The data plate will be pictured up in there. Look at the reflection coming off the side of that car. So again, black shows, well, hey, it's black. You're going to find a spot where it's touched up or there is an imperfection here or there. But overall, you can see nothing over the top as far as large dings, scratches, dents, anything like that. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And how many times do you see a 71 Monte with a 402? And it's the original drivetrain, engine and trans. Door panels. Of course, the bucket seats up front. Seatbelt still intact. Tilt column. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician said the AC compressor does kick on and off in this one. Let's fire it up. Kind of cool for the era of this car. Kenwood stereo and Kenwood equalizer underneath, and nicely done. I can't help recalling how it felt. Aftermarket temp gauge, that was a cold start, I wouldn't expect that to be up. And oil pressure gauge is working. Tachometer also working. Top of the dash looking good. Headliner also looking good. Door closes nicely. That's a long, heavy door too. Hinge pins are good. Oh, listen to that. There's a little rumble. Nothing crazy over the top though, just a good sounding car. If you like these 70s kind of muscle cars, or maybe like late model sports cars or classics, go ahead and subscribe, like our YouTube channel. Videos are uploaded daily on it. These vehicles are for sale online or on our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. But go ahead and subscribe to that YouTube channel. If you like looking at cars, you never know what we're going to get through here. So right now we're going to pop this hood, check out that engine bay, and remember, stick around to the very end. We're going to drive this car. There's the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. And engine bay. There it is. Said numbers matching. 402. Power brakes, AC, power steering. And remember, numbers matching tranny also. Very stock looking engine bay. Looks good. See headers. Be able to see the exhaust and the underside picks. Smooth runner, sounds good, looks good. Here's a battery disconnect once in storage or between drives. Wow, head turner, 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo with cowl induction hood. Lots of power under the hood. We've got hood pins. This is an automatic horseshoe style shifter on the center console. Turn signal indicator is working. Let's see how she does. Speedometer reads high. Nice firm shift, as you can tell. That was fun. Now the fuel gauge is a little over half. There's a old school Kenwood cassette playing aftermarket radio. I have not tested the cassette player, but we've got good sound out of the FM. Blower motor works, wipers work. Nice looking stock, for the most part, looking interior with brown bucket style seats matching the doors. Wood grain dash. Very 1971. It is a throwback and I love it. Power brakes working well. Power steering also very nice. Mounted to that center console is a Sun Super tachometer, which is almost period correct looking and working. Water temperature under the dash is showing about 190, and the oil pressure is showing about 55 to 60 psi. There's also a Kenwood equalizer under the dash. Smooth running car, smooth riding car. I'd take a long trip in this. Does not pull to the side at all, nice and straight when you let go of the wheel. Great rumble to that exhaust. Check out all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.